Sheesh. These things are moving. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be working on the Impala, see if we can get the sounds working now. Okay, this is probably the problem over here. I forgot I had to put these ghetto cheap RCA cables. It's like two different pairs and only one of them worked out of each one. So that's probably why we're not getting any sound out of it. I really need to fix up this whole trunk. So I'm gonna go get my son. Now we're actually gonna pull these out and dynamite the whole trunk. But first, let's run those RCA cables. I got some new ones right here I had laying around. Let's see if this is the problem. This is the stereo I'm running right now. It's just like a little cheap Amazon stereo that I purchased, like 150 bucks. But I used it because I didn't want to chop up my my dash, because I did have the original Impala one, but it cracked. So now I use the Caprice bezel, and I kept the Impala SS emblem and I just put it there. But I just need to take out those screws and then pull it out. Okay, I got the radio out. These are the old RCAs right here. They're no good. They're all broken. These sides are good, but on the other side of the trunk, these connections are all broken and bent. So I'm gonna get these out of here and run the new ones. All right, guys, I'm running the wire right here through the pillars. Took out the plastic and I'm running them all the way to the back. But I'll cut you back on once I'm done. I'm almost done. Right, I ran the RCAs already. We're about to start it up. I got this kid helping me. Wearing a tie. He's gonna go for a business meeting. Huh?
You say it all the time.
I know. You see it? All right, we're gonna try it out right now. Fire it up. Get off your phone, my boy. See if the amp turns on. All right, we got it on and everything, and the amp turns on and everything. The amp is turning on. We're getting power, but we're not getting any signal. So I'm thinking there's some wires touching inside this door panel on those 6.5s I have in there. All right, so I got the panel off, and this is the 6.5s I have in there. There's some DS18 Pros. And I put on this this plastic converter, because it used to be like 6.5s right here. So this plate right here converts it to a 6.5, because it used to be 6x9s. I mean, let's get this thing out of here, see what's really going on back here. Maybe some wires touching. All right, everything looks good. I don't see any wires touching or anything like that. Let's go check the other panel. Is it playing or no?
Yeah, it is.
Hold on, I was just working right now. Is it playing?
Our world, all the friends know me. Young boy living like a leak.
Oh.
I'm still trying to get
Crank it up. Lower it up. Fix this.
Sipping on promethazine. I'm sipping on promethazine. I can't put down the cup. I can't put down the cup. I can't put down
We're working.
Sipping on promethazine. I can't put.
Bruh. All right, guys, we got it to work, but the battery died. So gotta charge it up and put everything back together. Right?
Yeah.
We're gonna see if our jumper cables reach any cars out there. Go ahead. It's open. Maybe it'll reach the Caprice. Here, take these that way. See how far they reach?
Wait, to where? The Jeep?
I don't know. It's just, the Jeep's facing the other way, so. Hold it right there. Yeah, because the Caprice battery is like right there. Oh no, actually it's on this side. The battery's on this side. Yeah. It may reach. I just need to move the car closer. She got a snowball I made with all the snow we had.
We did have no snow.
Look at all that snow we got. There was more snow in the morning though. Let's see, let's whip that. Piece of junk. What the heck? At the same time. And let me know if I'm gonna hit that car. I'm gonna get real close to it.
Okay. I have to push it. We're gonna have to push it.
Because it's so cold, the battery got messed up. Going up?
Yeah. Oh snap.
We're gonna hit the trash can?
No. Ooh. That was so close. That is definitely gonna hit. Snap. Dad, it was so close.
Let's hope the Jeep turns on. That's the one that's gonna rescue everything.
Dad, why don't we get snow regularly?
It's too hot over here. Alright guys, we're charging the Chevy with Chevy. Look at those long wires. This guy on his phone. Bruh. Alright guys, we got that baby on already. Let me move this car real quick. I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit. Alright, now we got power, we got signal, but they're barely even moving. So I don't know what's going on. I think it's the wiring to the speakers now. So it's really thin. We're gonna have to take out the speaker, guys, because this box is super heavy, right, Isaac?
Yeah.
Isaac can pick up like 200 pounds, but right now he's a little weak. He's working out all week, right, Isaac?
Yeah, like a month already, right? But when was New Year's? Like a month ago?
New Year's resolution?
Yeah. Started. Can't wait for that Squid Games 5.
What?
Or I mean Squid Games 3.
You said 5?
Yeah. Squid Games 3 coming out.
That's it, huh? Alright, look how big this thing is. That's what she said. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Alright, we got one out. Holy crap, this is heavy. We're never gonna pick this up. Damn. Wow. So, damn, look at this. We're starting to rust. It's been so long. Can you give me those pliers right there?
You just cut it off?
Yeah, I'm not going to use a brand new wire. This one's cheap. Look how thin it is compared to this one. It's supposed to be like this. Look. See it?
The only thing I can't put down is the cup.
Here, let's see. You try to pick it up. Dude, that thing's huge. How much do you think it weighs?
I don't know.
You good? Damn. How much you think?
Like, it's not that loud. Like 90.
90?
Is that a
No, 90 you won't be able to pick that up.
Oh, like 50.
Yeah, it's like 50 pounds.
It's not a lot.
Alright, let's take out the other one.
I
Alright, this kid got out the second speaker, see if you can actually take it out
Oh, I can't.
without damaging. Yeah, pick up this side.
Wait, what do you mean?
Pick up this side. Go ahead. It's heavy, right? Alright, hold on.
It's like, my fingers. Oh,
Right there.
my fingers hurt.
Go ahead, Goofy. Alright guys, we got both of them out already. And man, we're getting a new alternator for sure because actually this is the second alternator I got in for the car. Because it's too weak. But let's see if we can get this box out now. Move that. Impact drill. Put it on the floor. You have to help me. Ready? I'm gonna pick it straight up like how we were doing it. There you go.
Oh, it's different. Lighter. Oh, we got it. You can take it out. I just...
Damn, it seems super hard to get out. I don't know how we got it in.
Where's the flathead? Alright, because like you see that's bending. She's bending?
Yeah.
So it's like...
Okay, this kid finally got it out. All that muscle. Kind of messed up the corners.
And right here.
A little bit right here, little scratch marks. But dang, it's a huge trunk. All right. Now I know why the music wasn't working. Look at these wires are all fried. All right, let's bring it out. We're gonna bring out the box and we'll test at least. We'll test them, see if they work. Make sure it's not the subwoofers. No, we gotta clean it out like how we did the other one, but this one's not gonna be too bogus. Look, it's just dust. Just wipe it down, clean it up so there's no dust, and then we'll start putting the dyno mat down. I think we're gonna have to build a custom box, one that goes like all the way back there, so we're not struggling to take it out later. What do you think?
No.
Yes?
Wait, why do we need it? Like to reduce the sound?
Yeah. So it doesn't vibrate all crazy. Ready?
Yeah.
Get like some towel, like one like damp towel and one dry one. Look, I think I got one right here. Just get this one a little damp, then we'll dry it with this one.
Okay, I'm gonna go try this one.
Yeah, guys, this was definitely the reason why it wasn't working. These wires are cheap and they're all fried, so we're gonna go ahead and dynamite this thing. When I say we, I mean my son. Yeah, just knock the dust off of it.
Oh, that's not.
Yeah, it's working. All right, while you do that, I'm gonna go put those things by the heat so they could get sticky.
That's cool.
That's crazy. When I was 16, I already had my license.
So
I was driving since I was 14.
But I already know how to drive, like a little bit.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. You can get your permit already. You can go to those classes. I could take those classes. But for now, go up in there and start wiping right there because I don't reach. Your little ass fits in there.
Sick.
Don't hit yourself right here like last time. Go ahead, go up in there. Because you're not going to reach. Watch your head. Yeah, all the way up in there.
It's so cold in here.
It is?
Yeah.
Get the wheel wells too. You see how they're all dusty? Yeah. Damn, this car's been sitting for a long time, right?
Yeah.
Poor car.
It's my water.
Where's the other shame? Oh, it's right here. Let me put water on this one.
No, this one.
You want to put it on this one?
Yeah.
If you need to dry it, use the yellow one. The yellow micro saw. It's a microfiber towel.
But I don't think I'm tall. I'm 5'4".
You just look tall because you're skinny. It makes you look taller.
Like Nacho?
Like when you're chunkier, it makes you look short. Make sure you get up there looking right there. All the dust. Or else that stuff's not gonna stick. Inside those little crevices or whatever, those little bumps, yeah. But I want to do this part right here first for sure. So we could design a box. Dry that up there. Just dry it from here. From here, that way, just dry up.
So from right here to
yeah, because I don't think we're going to have enough to put right here. But for sure, I want to get this done. Because I have you right now. I don't not be able to get in there. I'm using you, my friend.
Bruh.
Just dry it up already?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're going to start from the edge right there. And work your way this way. You need scissors or something to cut off? Huh?
Yeah.
Here, the scissors. You need to cut it right there. Just cut a straight slit like that.
Right here, right?
Yeah, straight up. You just go straight up. Yes, sir. There you go. Work your way down. There you go. That's what I don't know. You may need another cut. See? All right, now go back in there. We're gonna do a thumbnail real quick. You're gonna sit right there in the middle. All right, guys, we're gonna test out these subs to see if they actually work. Man, hopefully I didn't blow them. I don't think so, but they were moving earlier, but very, very little on maximum volume. I think it was just the wires being fried or burnt out. Yeah, guys, they definitely work. Yeah, guys, I just noticed that the amp that I have is actually 3,300 watts. I thought it was just 3,000, but it's 3,300. I don't know if that makes a huge difference or not, but it's pushing that thing really hard. And these are rated for, I think, like 1,000 watts each. Or, oh no, I'm sorry, I think it's 1,500 watts. If you guys know, because these are VXFs, your V something, I forgot the letters. But I think they're rated at 1,500. And it's a Hifonics Brutus amp. This one was like $250, $300 I think, back when I bought it like 2 years ago, I think. I used to have the Taramp Smart 3, but when I did some donuts, it fell and it broke. I got the amp right here. The only thing that broke were these terminal things right here where you put the speakers. But it turns on and everything. I just don't know how to mess with it. And this thing was hitting hard too. I don't know if this one was hitting a little bit harder or not, but they're almost very identical in the output. But this thing definitely needs a new alternator, a high output, and maybe a battery. And I'm also gonna do the big 3 on this one too. All right, guys, so we figured out what was wrong with the subs, why they weren't working. We got the music to play, we fixed the RCAs and all that stuff. And now we're gonna design an enclosure back there because other box, man, it wasn't gonna work for that thing. I don't know how we got it in the first place. Me and my older brother did it. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and design one, and I'm gonna leave it so you guys can see and you let me know what y'all think. My son's designing it right now on his iPad. So yeah, something like that. This is the box he designed right here. The subwoofers are gonna be a little bit further apart, but you get an idea. I'm gonna go ahead and put this door panel back together. Put that radio back in the dash. And clean up this mess I got going on too. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this thing out, and then I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.